In this video, I'll teach you how to make these amazing Crocs using Betula and patoranking. So first we'll start from gauging. What we call this is the welt. This is the welt. So we first have to scrape the welt. Now we are using double gauging here. So if you don't know what is double gauging or what double gauging looks like, now this video will teach you. All you have to do is subscribe to my channel, give me a like, drop a comment if you have questions. You do that. So we're scraping. From there you have to mark out, stabilize your Berkinstock so on top of your patoranking. So this is the flat sole, that's the outer sole. Now your Berkinstock will be your insole, while this black patoranking sole will be your outer sole. So once you have the tracing line from the Berkinstock, then you now rub your gum so wide that you will have to, you don't have to lack space of placing your gauge. All right, so once you spread your gum, allow for drying. You also spray your gum on the gauge. Now the first gauging, the one that will be attached to the Berkinstock directly, you're not placing it flat. You have to place it straight. It's not flat. All right, so if you check there's a flat space, then there is the other straight surface of the gauge. So you placing on the straight surface, not the flat surface. All right, then the second gauge that will be gauging the one attached to the Berkinstock will be flat. You rub that one flat, then you allow for drying. Once the gum gets dry, then you now place your Berkinstock on top of the patoranking sole. Now you use the first gauge, the one you're placing straight. If you check very well, this is not flat, the gauge is not flat. All right, so you place it straight on the body, go round with it, make sure you stabilize, and you go around with it carefully. Please, if this is your first time of coming to this channel, subscribe to my channel, give me a like, drop a comment, ask your questions. If you want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, you can use my WhatsApp number displaying on your screen, +2349035539885, to reach out to me on WhatsApp. And if you feel led to encourage us, you can send in a token. My details are displaying on your screen also. So whether in dollar or in naira, anyone, you can just do that using my details on the screen. All right, so after you have your first gauge round the Berkinstock, then the second, which is the flat surface, now will follow up. All right, carefully, no spacing, don't allow spacing. All right, don't allow spacing. Then make sure you still stabilize with your hands. Right, now we have other videos, amazing videos of how to make loafers, how to make boots, how to make chuka boots, how to make derby shoes, Oxford toms, different things, half penny loafers, half toe, different shoes on my channel. So you can just log into my channel properly and check out for yourself, check my playlist. Now once you have it round up, then you use your cutter to cut. Right, cut, then you join to have your 360. Yeah, apply pressure, then you heat up. Yeah, use your mallet to heat. Right, apply pressure using your mallet round. Now from here you cut. This was me. Now you cut your knife. All right, please, while cutting, please make sure there's a way you hold your knife. Don't cut to the inside, you cut outwardly. All right, so your blade, like your sharp blade, now will be facing outside, not the inside. All right, I showed that on live stream today. So you cut, then you go for filing. All right, so we cut the excesses out. This is how our sew will be looking like. Right, we cut the excesses out, and from there you go for filing. this is a filer. Now you go for filing, you file straight up. Then after filing, you now polish. Then the sew is ready for use. Thank you for watching. God bless you. All right.